JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we're going to show you how to do a hidden hinge on these dollar store glasses. You may want to do them on your own glasses. You do have to locate a hidden hinge that matches the temple. So we just got to take this temple off here. This is old school. Hopefully this screw will come out. I don't know if it will. So let's see if I can pry it up with something. Just to get it off. You might want to have to hold the temple. Not all the way out. There we go. So now I take the temple off like that. Okay. Now you see this part right here? This is called the hidden hinge. Alright, that's a double hidden hinge. Alright. So what you do is you have to go in with a soldering iron and you have to touch this part of the hinge with the soldering iron, and therefore it transmits the heat down into the frame. And then you'll go in and you'll take a pair of pliers like this. Say if this hinge is damaged, you go in there, take the pair of pliers and pull the hinge out. Okay, and then you could even do it with a torch if you do it, lightly with the torch out here to pull those out. And then after you pull them out, you take the new hinge and you melt it and sink it back into the frame, okay, with a pair of flat nose like that. And then you put your temple back on and you've got a repair of a hidden hinge. I went to an optical place, very good one, and they didn't know how to do it. Matter of fact, I used to work at that optical place, and the person there didn't know how to do a hidden hinge. And I was like, are you kidding me? And really destroyed the frames, actually. I couldn't believe it. The thing is matching up the hinge, the right hinge, to the configuration to fix it. So all you're doing is melting a new hinge in, heating up, pulling it out with the pliers, and then melting and putting a new hinge in, melting it in. You can go on the internet and look. I suggest calling if you want to call, because a lot of these places do not do these kind of repairs anymore, and save yourself some money. Let them say, oh, it's on warranty, it's on warranty. Well, good if you bought the warranty, Some people don't, so you may want to have it fix it that way. So this is my tip for today, and on how to repair a hidden hinge, and I hope you have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up if you can, please. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you for watching.